Alrighty, so this video is going to show you how to make your screen touchable. If you guys notice, I can touch it, and I'm hardwired in, not AirPlay, because the AirPlay's been dropping out. So I figured out how to do it with the hardwire. So what you want to make sure is you want to go to the back. Bring this around. You want to go to the back. Now, you want to make sure that your HDMI, so here's my HDMI. It's on HDMI 2 right there. This is what my HDMI that's plugged into my laptop. It's just right here into the dongle. This is what allows my screen on my MacBook to be displayed up here. So since that's on HDMI 2, you want to make sure that your touch cord, so my touch cord's right here, my touch cord is on touch 2. So if I'm broadcasting my hardwire on HDMI 2, you want to make sure that you're on touch 2 for your cord. And then your cord also plugs into your laptop. In this case, it's plugged into my dongle. So you just want to make sure that your hardwire is on the same ones. So now that it is plugged in together, I can go and touch the different apps and go to the different things with my finger, which is kind of nice.